In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple pages in Canva, a skill that can be incredibly useful if you're working on complex designs or simply trying to organize your projects more efficiently. This process is quite straightforward, and with these simple steps, you'll have it mastered in no time. First things first, you'll want to open your project in Canva. Once you've got your design open, glance down towards the bottom area of your screen. You'll find a variety of small icons and tools offering different functions for your project. The icon we're focusing on today resembles a grid. By selecting this grid icon, you're presented with a bird's eye view of all the pages within your current design. This makes it significantly easier to pick and choose exactly which pages you want to focus on. It's especially handy if you're dealing with a multi-page design that requires organization or editing across various sections. Now that you've clicked on the grid icon and have a full view of your pages, it's time to learn the technique for selecting multiple pages. The key to mastering this is understanding how to effectively use your keyboard in conjunction with your mouse or trackpad. This might sound a bit complex at first, especially if you're not used to it, but I assure you it's simple once you get the hang of it. You'll need to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Do this while simultaneously using your mouse or trackpad to click on the pages you wish to select. As you click each page while holding down the Shift key, you'll notice they become highlighted or selected. This is Canva's way of indicating that it has grouped those pages together for any action you want to perform. If you accidentally select a page you didn't intend to, don't worry. You can simply click it again with the Shift key still held down, and it will deselect. This methodology ensures that you have complete control over exactly which pages you're working with, minimizing any need for cumbersome backtracking or adjustments later on. Once you've successfully selected all the pages you want, you can proceed with whatever action you had in mind, whether it's organizing, deleting, or rearranging your pages. Having the ability to select multiple pages at once can genuinely save a lot of time and effort, making your design process smoother and more efficient. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to select multiple pages in Canva effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect. So feel free to experiment with this method to see just how it fits into your design workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to check out more of our guides for all your design needs.